Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Honda Fit brake pads using an easy method. First, gather your tools: a car jack, lug wrench, C-clamp, and a 12mm wrench. You'll also need new brake pads and some brake grease. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. This ensures a stable and safe working environment for the entire process. With your car safely on jack stands, loosen the lug nuts, then lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Next, locate the two 12mm caliper bolts on the back of the brake caliper. Carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, you can gently slide the caliper off the rotor and then remove the old brake pads. Remember to keep track of any shims or hardware. Now it's time for the new pads. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the shims of your new brake pads. This helps prevent squealing. Next, use a C-clamp to slowly compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Finally, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Reinstall the caliper over the new pads and rotor, then securely tighten the two 12mm caliper bolts. Put your wheel back on and lower the car. Before driving, pump your brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the piston. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Drive carefully for the first 100 miles to properly bed in your new pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.